Hi everyone, real quick video. Some of you might have seen a couple weeks ago I went to Baltimore, Maryland with DeWalt. They had a big unveiling of the Power Stack batteries. They're more lightweight, longer lasting, more powerful, compact, all of that great stuff. And then today I hear the UPS driver pull in and I look out and there's a package and I just opened it and it is this. So I have to show you, I'm completely surprised. I did not expect to get this, although I was hoping to get some new batteries, but they went, as usual, above and beyond. So let me show you what is actually in this box. First of all, look at the presentation. Beautiful. And look at, there is a brand new circular saw. There is a drill. I almost don't want to take anything out of here yet. They've sent, this looks like the old 20 volt battery and then the new Power Stack battery. So I do have a Power Stack. I have another charger. There's a huge honkin' drill bit. I don't know that I'll ever really use that size. Maybe somewhere down the road. Spade bits, I use them all the time. So thank you for that, DeWalt. This is just unbelievably incredible. I can't believe their generosity. Although I have worked very hard for this, so I have to, you know what, I deserve this. So thank you, DeWalt. I love it. I was very shocked and surprised. And I will definitely be using these things with pride. So thank you so much. Love you guys.